Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add voiceover to a video on Canva. Open up your Canva and upload your video, but in my case, I've already uploaded it. Now input your video and cut it if necessary. Now to add voice record, click on share, look for present and record. In case it is not here, go to more and click it. Go to recording studio. Here, you can check if your mic is selected or working, but if it's not, you can change it if you want. Start recording to record. Then, record what you want to record. If you're done, click on End Recording. After that, wait for it to load up. Then click on Save and Exit. Now here you can see the recording that you've made. You can add it to your video by clicking on it. Adjust it if you want and play it to make sure that your recording is fine. And that's it.